Hello, everybody. It's St. Brian here. Welcome to my lair. It is awesome to have you here. Eggs. Yes, we're going to do eggs again. Brian, why are we doing eggs? Because eggs are awesome. They're delicious. They're nutritious. They're cheap. But they're also difficult to cook well. It's very easy to overcook eggs and have them be dry or bland or just not good. First, fried eggs. You've got two ways to do it. You've got over easy and sunny side up. Sunny side up, nice creamy yolk, but a little underdone. Over easy, the egg white gets all nice and cooked and crispy. And if you do it right, the egg yolk is still nice and creamy, but it's really hard to do that and not break the yolk while cooking. So what I'm gonna do today is show you how to do an over easy egg without having to flip it, so you get that awesome creamy yolk every single time. What you will need for this project is a cast iron pan, a necessity in any kitchen, 2 eggs, an English muffin, olive oil, butter, and a sheet of tin foil that can cover the pan. Put some olive oil in the pan and start heating it up. You should wait until it gets a little shimmer on the surface. Once it's hot, add the butter and let the butter melt. Once the butter is melted, add the eggs and quickly cover the pan with tin foil and set a timer for 1 minute. Once that minute is up, remove the pan from the heat and set another timer for 1 minute. When that minute is up, your eggs will be done. Remove the eggs from the pan and put them on your toasted English muffin. If you like what you saw here, please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also subscribe to our Twitch channel so you can find out when we go live with new content every week. You can also support EatDrinkRoll on Patreon for as little as $1 a month, and that will get you some benefits like getting the podcast before everyone else. Thank you so much for joining me today.